Hey collectors, welcome back to daily episodes of yteamhotwheels. The all-new collab as a Hot Wheels X Ryan Touareg has Hot Wheels has been showcasing this beautiful Toyota Stout pickup. Check out the original pic of this pickup truck. This car might be in a premium version or a 2-pack set, so check out a sneak peek of this car. The all-new upcoming Hot Wheels X Transformers collab and will be in a track fleet series, the Optimus Prime. Our third new upcoming collab as a Hot Wheels X Scania R34, a sneak peek of an aerodate Safari and an aerodate Mustang. A Matchbox collector's Mercedes-Benz G 580 with EQ technology. One of the most iconic SUV is going electric, and the Matchbox is celebrating this environmental achievement. Introducing the Mercedes-Benz G 580 with EQ technology, also referred as the EQG. This highly anticipated 1:1 car was finally unveiled on April 23, 2024. Making this the first 1:64 scale model diecast version. Body color manufacturer South says Blue Magno. Diecast vehicle made with a 99.5% recycled metal. Also uses 81% ISCC certified plastic. Wheels Matchbox performance wheels. Base metallic grey. Window color medium smoke tint. Interior color black. The price of a car is $30. Will arrive in a unique package that doubles as a display box. Purchase limits subject to change at the sole discretion of metal. Now let's check out new upcoming mainline car as a 2022 Ford Maverick Custom. Now let's check out new upcoming Mini GT models. A Toyota GR86 LB Nation, color of a car white, made from diecast, releasing between August and September 2024. A Porsche 911 Carrera RS 2.7, color of a car Grand Prix white with blue livery, releasing between August and September 2024. A McLaren MCL60 #4, color of a car Lando Norris 2023 F1 2023 Japanese GP second place, releasing between August and September 2024. A McLaren MCL60 #81, color of a car Oscar Piastri 2023 F1 2023 Japanese GP third place, releasing between August and September 2024. A Porsche 911 GT3R #9, color of a car GTD Pro PFAB Motorsports IMSA 2023 Sebring 12 Hours winner, releasing between August and September 2024. A Lancia Stratos HF Stardale. Color of a car, Giallo Fly, releasing between August and September 2024. The all-new upcoming model that has been released, a Ferrari Enzo by Tomica. A Revive Models presents a Scania R, color of a Truxa, blue and red, green and red, limited up to 300 each color, made from diecast, releasing this month. A Street Weapon Models presents a Nissan Stagea R34, color of the Corsa, metallic blue and cement grey, limited up to 199 each color, made from diecast, releasing this month. A Focal Horizon X Model 1 presents a Lexus LFA, color of a car white, limited up to 999 units, made from diecast, releasing on July 2024. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications.